Welcome to our channel.
Question number 1. Which technology is used to allow the mobile phone for navigation and mapping through the internet? The options are A. GPS, B. Protocol, C. LAN, D. WAN. The correct answer is option A. GPS. Question number 2. The use of computers in government is known as A. Computer governance, B. IT governance, C. Internet governance, D. E-governance. The correct answer is option D. E-governance. Question number 3. Android mobile operating system was developed by which company? The options are A. Microsoft, B. Google, C. Apple Incorporate, D. IBM. The correct answer is option B. Google. Question number 4. The computer monitor is also known as. The options are A. DVU, B. UVD, C. VDU, D. CCTV. The answer is option C. VDU. Fill in the blank. Question number 5. CPU stands for. The answer is Central Processing Unit. Question number 6. USB stands for. The answer is Universal Serial Bus. Question number 7. PDF stands for. The answer is Portable Document File. Question number 8. SMS stands for. The answer is Short Messaging Services. Question number 9. OMR stands for. The answer is Optical Mark Reader. Question number 10. GIGO stands for. The correct answer is Garbage in Garbage Out. Question number 11. WAN stands for. The answer is Wide Area Network. Question number 12. LAN stands for. The correct answer is Local Area Network. Question number 13. CD stands for. The answer is Compact Disc. Question number 14. AI stands for. The answer is Artificial Intelligence. Question number 15. FIFO stands for. The correct answer is First in, First out. Question number 16. CAD stands for. The options are A. Computer Algorithm Design, B. Computer Aided Design, C. Computer Application in Design, D. None of the above. The correct answer is option B. Computer Aided Design. Fill in the blanks. Question number 17. WWW stands for. The answer is World Wide Web. Question number 18. WWW was invented by Dash. In the year Dash. The correct answer is Tim Berners-Lee, in the year 1989. Question number 19. Memories that can be read only are called Dash memories. Your options are A. ROM, B. RAM, C. P-ROM, D. EPROM. The correct answer is option A. ROM. Question number 20. In a computer, the permanent memory is called Dash. Your options are A. ROM, B. RAM, C. P-ROM, D. CD-ROM. The correct answer is option A. ROM. Fill in the blanks. Question number 21. VDU stands for. The answer is Visual Display Unit. Question number 22. ALU stands for. The answer is Arithmetic Logic Unit. Question number 23. MLL stands for. The answer is Machine Level Language. Question number 24. ATM stands for. The answer is Automated Teller Machine. Question number 25. The full form of Wi-Fi is. The answer is Wireless Fidelity. Question number 26. LCD stands for. The answer is Liquid Crystal Display. Question number 27. LED stands for. Liquid Emitting Diode. Question number 28. BIOS stands for. The answer is Basic Input-Output System. Question number 29. GPRS stands for. The answer is General Packet Radio Service. Question number 30. ROM stands for. The answer is Read Only Memory. Question number 31. RAM stands for. The answer Random Access Memory. Question number 32. Junk email is also called. The options are A. Spoof, B. Spool, C. Spam, D. Sniffer script. The answer is option C. Spam. Question number 33. Which of the following is not a programming language in computer? The options are A. Java, B. C++, C. Rome, D. Pascal. The correct answer is option C. Rome. Question number 34. MICR stands for. The options are A. Magnetic Indicator Camera Recorder, B. Magnetic Induced Card Recognition, C. Magnetic Ink Chips Recognition, D. Magnetic Ink Character Recognition. The correct answer is option D. Magnetic Ink Character Recognition. Question number 35. A microprocessor is. Your options are A. A combined unit of monitor and keyboard, B. A combined unit of ALU and CU, C. A combined unit of CPU and UPS, D. None of these. The correct answer is option B. A combined unit of ALU and CU. True or false? Question number 36. Software is the parts of computer that can be seen and touched. The answer is false. Fill in the blank. Question number 37. ALGOL stands for. The answer is algorithmic language. Question number 38. ARPANET stands for. The answer is Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Multiple choice questions. Question number 39. MMS stands for. The options are A. Multi-messaging services, B. Multimedia messaging services, C. Multimedia messaging system, D. Multiple messaging service. The correct answer is option B. Multimedia messaging services. Question number 40. Website is a collection of. The options are A. HTML documents, B. Graphic files, C. Audio and video files, D. All of the above. The answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 41. Which is the full form of URL? The options are A. Uniform Resource Locator, B. Universal Resource Locator, C. Unified Resource Locator, D. Unique Resource Locator. The correct answer is option B. Universal Resource Locator. Question number 42. Who is known as the father of the computer? The options are A. Herman Hollerith, B. Alan Turing, C. Charles Babbage, D. Blaise Pascal. The answer is option C. Charles Babbage. Question number 43. What does GUI stands for? The options are A. General User Interface, B. Graphical User Interface, C. General Utility Interface, D. Global User Interface. The answer is option B. Graphical User Interface. Question number 44. Which one of the following is not a search engine? The options are A. Google, B. Bing, C. YouTube, D. Yahoo. The answer is YouTube. Question number 45. ChatGPT is a chatbot developed by. The options are A. OpenAI, B. Microsoft, C. Google, D. Amazon. The answer is option A. OpenAI. Question number 46. Who is considered as father of artificial intelligence? The options are A. Charles Babbage, B. John McCarthy, C. Robert Noyce, D. Richard Feynman. The answer is option B. John McCarthy. Question number 47. Which of the following is the component of AI? The options are A. Machine learning, B. Internet of Things, C. Quantum computing, D. Cloud storage. The correct answer is option A. Machine learning. Fill the blank. Question number 48. COBOL stands for. The answer is Come on Business Oriented Language. Question number 49. HTML stands for. The answer is Hypertext Markup Language. Question number 50. HTTP stands for. The answer is Hypertext Transfer Protocol.